This is the ALLLIKE portable power station, the SN1000, 1037 watt hours of power. Came packaged great and it arrived safely. And this was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are going to be my own. Inside of the package, you're going to get a set of instructions that are super easy to read. They have all the important details that you need in here, all that stuff. You get a about 40-inch power cable. This is for recharging this. And you get a car charging cable as well that you can use to charge with this. And this is about 5 foot long. It has an aluminum alloy housing on it. They use that for heat dissipation and for durability. It's pretty tough. It's got like a rubber section right here. If you're charging something, you can set your device right there. The unit's really compact in size. It's about 10.5 inches by 10 inches by almost 7 inches. And it weighs in at 21 pounds. So it's relatively lightweight, it's portable, and it's easy to handle. And speaking of handle, the handles on this are built right into the unit, so they're less likely to break. I like that. They're built right into it. It has a 1037 watt hour lithium ion battery pack in here, and I ran a test that I'll show you in this vid. All right, so I fired this up about 10 minutes ago. You can see I've got no input power source, just one extension cord going out. You can see it is 110. 10 minutes ago, it's still sitting at 100%. I'm pulling 100 watts. So in theory, you know, it jives up, it should last 10 hours. What I've done is I've ran that yellow cord coming out of there is a power strip that feeds back to this power strip, which is powering this humidifier, that 55-inch TV, and that Roku right there. Let's come back and see how it does. I got the clock on there. So we should be able to run this roughly until about 11 o'clock tonight. All right, about 8.5 hours in, my humidifier is now empty. We're at 28%. Saying we have 3 hours left to go. I've been drawing about between 90 and 100 watts since about 1 o'clock. Doing great. On the back here, it has two pure sine wave AC outlets. Pure sine wave is what you want for electronics. You know, if you're using this as a battery backup and powering office equipment, monitors, and so forth. It also has two fast charging USB-A outlets and two USB-C outlets, as well as two 5521 DC outs right there. And super simple to use. If you want to power it on, you just press and long hold this. If you want to turn the DC on, you press this again. It has an easy to read display on here, so as you turn things on and off, so it gives you all the info you need at a glance. If you turn the AC power on, you can do it that way. You can hear the fan kick on there. When I turn the AC on, it's not very loud at all. As I said before, I'm charging my phone on this right now. It says we have 96% battery left, and you can see we have 20 hours of charging time on here. I like that it displays and tells you how much charging time you have left on this. When you plug it to charge it in, it tells you your draw right here too, how much wattage you're drawing, which I'll show you. Also on the front here, there's a light button, and I'll show you the light on the back. Press the light button, it goes through a couple of different ranges, low, medium, high, and it does flashing, and it does SOS, and turns itself back off. Also on the back here, I wanted to show you, you have the charging input if you're using household 120 volt AC, and this is the car input and solar panel input on the back right here. They say that it charges to 80% in just 2.3 hours and to a full 100% in 3 hours. I actually think that mine charged faster than that, and I ran it through two power strips while I was charging it. It never heated up, and neither did the power strips or the cables, which I like. We have 0 charge on it right now, drawing 347, and we'll come back and see how long this thing takes to charge. 2 hours into recharging this from 0. It was at 0. I've been pulling around 400 watts or so. This is plugged into a power strip, which is plugged into another power strip. And you can see I'm at 94%. And I'm going to the driving range, so I'm going to stop it now. But pretty good, pretty fast. It's a great looking unit. It's easy to handle. This would be great as a battery backup unit for your home office. This would be great for charging during outdoor activities, you know, take it to the park with you. It's great for RVs, RV travel, camping, and just for charging your devices anywhere. But nice looking unit. Works great. I love it.